Hello, welcome to my channel, Urbanqueentv. I am Urban Queen. Today I'm coming to you with another one of my emergency preps for winter prep. As we know, here in the U.S., we're going through severe winter storms throughout the states. Some states is having it worse than others. So I said, let me bring a winter prep that you can use in a time of an emergency as we're going through this preps. My last video, I brought to you my Goodyear winter safety kit, which consisted of the carrying case, the shovel with 3 parts to it, the shovel, the snow brush, and the scraper, as well as the cables, booster cables, the recovery straps, and that holds 1,500 pounds working load limits, and the travel blanket with the super grips, and a flashlight with batteries. So now today I also showed you a brief synopsis of my portable car booster. This is the Power, the A18 18,000 amp. It's a portable power booster where you can boost your own self, jump your own car if you need it, as well as if you needed to charge something. You have 2 USB and a micro USB. I believe that's micro USB. It has a flashlight to it, and it's very good. My brother gave me this. It's model A18. Excuse me, it's a 2,000 peak amp with capacity of 66 watt hours. It's a wonderful item. I appreciate my brother for thinking of me. You see the flashlight and giving it to me. I was using, excuse me, I was still using this one. Everybody knows about the Mighty Mite as my portable. And my 200 amp for when I had someone to give me a boost. So now he upgraded me. Appreciate it. It's beautiful. You charge it with a charger cable, USB cables. This is good for emergency when you're alone on the road and you get stranded and your battery go dead or somewhat, and you don't have no one to help you. You have this to help yourself. Excuse me, I just dropped my ring light. So we'll be right here. I also mentioned this light flares, the LED. It has 9 light features. You have the double pulsing, the single pulsing, the short single pulse, rotating, alternating flashing, the SOS University Emergency Distress Signals, the steady full beam, a low steady full beam, the flashlight, and then it cuts off. This is when you're on the road and you want to put down some caution, for caution. It also can hang on the side of the car or wherever you need it to hang. It has hanging. This one has USB. It charges. It charges here. The other two, and this is magnetic. This is a magnet. The other two you have to unscrew it. This one you don't have to unscrew. These ones you have to unscrew. You unscrew these two screws, and you put the 3 AAA in it. And then you would press the button the same way. As I said before, you need some ice, lock deicer. Your car might get frozen. You might be in some real hectic snow or freezing cold weather, and your locks on your car freezes and you can't get out, can't get in. So you need to de-ice your locks. You need some extra fuses for your car. You don't know when one of your fuses might go out. That's at any time. We need to check our tires. Well, winter time, spring, summer, fall. Check the pressure. Now, this is the main thing that I wanted to show you. We need communication. Oh boy, excuse me. Communication. My ring light is about to fall. This is an emergency mobile phone. It's by Spare One. It has a 15-year shelf life. 15-year battery shelf life. You can call up to 10 hours of talk time. It has an emergency call button, a SIM card. The emergency call button is with or without the SIM card. It's powered by Energizer battery. As you can see on the inside, it has the battery already. This is how you connect it. It's a GSM SIM card. And you pull the tab to activate the battery. So this is one of the emergency. And also, when you have your old cell phones, you can still call emergency services on it, even though you don't have no service. This is why I wanted to bring you some additional emergency preps to add on to the winter safety kit that you can have in your car. As I've told you before, in the rules of 3, we only can sustain 3 hours of extreme harsh weather before it's dire to us. So, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Like the video, share and subscribe. Press the notification button, press all, so you can be up on all my videos that I upload. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for the visitors and the returning visitors and the returning subscribers. I'm Urban Queen. This is Urbanqueentv. As always, have peace, love in your heart. Shalom.